Welcome back to Wiring Products. Today we're going to work with nylon insulated double crimp ring terminals. These come in 3 different wire sizes. We have 20 to 18 gauge, we have 16 to 14 gauge, and we have 12 to 10 gauge. Alright, this is the one that we're going to work on today, and I would like to compare it with a non-insulated. It's the same 10-12 gauge wire. And if you look closely here, you can see that what they did with the nylon insulated is, well, you can't see what they did is they brazed this. They welded the seam so it's not going to split on you. That's the first thing. And then they just added support for your wire connection. But I just want to show the length is much longer. You do have a lot more hold. We're doing 12-10 gauge, so I'm going to strip the wire. Stick this in the barrel. Crimp it. You crimp up close by the ring terminal just like you would on a regular crimp. And then you're going to do your second crimp further down. See both of your dimples, that one and that one. It's a solid connection. You can see your copper sticking up just a little bit over here, and you are done with that connection. And that is how you crimp a nylon insulated double crimp ring terminal. Visit us at wiringproducts.com.